Assalamualaikum and welcome back. Today I will be doing practical exercise 1 for network security DFN 40143. Here we have 3 parts. Verify basic network connectivity, configure a zone-based policy ZPF firewall, test firewall functionality. Here we have required resource of packet tracer, configure a zone-based policy firewall ZPF. And this is the packet tracer. Coming part 1, verify basic network connectivity, verify IP address information for all devices. We go to this packet tracer and go to this of web server PCA, desktop and IP configuration. Here we got the information. The IP address is 192.168.1.3. .1 is the network of this one. We go to PCC, the desktop and IP configuration, and the network is 192.168.3 is the network of PCC. Next we go to R1 and go to CLI. Here is the information to log in the router. Password is Cisco Conta 55. Enable Cisco and bar 55. Then we will type the command show IP root connected, and here is serial 0/0/0 is this IP address 10.1.1.0, and for gigabit internet 0/1 is 192.168.1. Next we go to R2. Yes, this is the IP address. Serial 0/0/0 is 10.1.1.0, and for serial 0/0/1 is 10.2.2.0. Last device is R3. This is serial 0/0/1. This one is 10.2.2.0. And for gigabit internet 0/1, this one is 192.168.3.0. Next is verify can remote access to the R2. Here is access R2 using SSH from PCC command prompt. Will be type command SSH the password is admin. Here we can see the SSH can be accessed to R2. Next question is verify can access web browser using PCA IP address. So we go to PCC, close this command prompt and go to web browser. Type IP address of PCA server 192.168.1.3. Click go, and here you can see the server can be accessed. Next part is configure a zone-based policy ZPF firewall. Create the firewall zone. So here we go to R3 and create a firewall zone. Create an internal zone first. Enable. Configure terminal and type command zone security in zone. Type exit, and then we will create an external zone. Zone security out zone. And then exit. Next question is identify traffic using a class map. So we go to R3, type this command. We're doing create extend ACL 101. IP address is 192.168 network 3. Any. Next is create a class map referring in internal traffic ACL. Type command class map. Type inspect match all in net class map. And then type this command match access to 101. And then next question is specify firewall policies and apply firewall policies. So here we will type command policy map type inspect into out pmap. Now we in pmap type this command. And then we no specific protocol configured in class in net class map or inspection. All protocol will be inspected. Next, we will be apply firewall policies. First, we create a pair of zone. Type this command. And then we type this command. And then exit. Secretary is assign interface to the appropriate security zone. Go to interface J0/1. Type this command. Exit and interface 0/0/1. 0/0/1 as zone member security out zone. Next we will save it. Last part of this particular exercise one is test firewall functionality. Test from inside zone to outside zone. So we go to PCC, go to command prompt, and then try to ping PCA 192.168.1.3. As you can see, the ping is successfully. Next is from PCC command prompt SSH to R2 at 10.2.2.2. Here we go to PCC, go to command prompt and type SSH admin 10.2.2.2. 10.2.2.2. The password is admin 5. As you can see, the SSH is successfully. While the SSH session is active, issue the command show Percy method inspect zone page session on R3. We go to R3. Type command show policy method inspect zone page. As you can see, the source IP, this is the source IP and port number here, and destination IP address and port number is this one. This is from PCC with the SSH. And close the command prompt. From internal PCC, open a web browser to the PCA server web page. So we go to PCC web browser and type IP address of PCA. Here it is, and this is successfully accessed. While the HTTP session is active, issue the command show policy map type inspect zone pay session on R3. Here you can see the IP address and port number is this one, and destination IP address and port number is this one. Next question is test from outside zone to inside zone. So we try go PA ping to PC3 and the ping should fail. As you can see, PCA cannot be accessed to PCs. Next is from out R2 ping PCC. So we go to R2. As you can see, success rate is 0%. That means R2 cannot ping to PCs